and see flights taking down. Hello friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Kumar Saravana. I am riding to Akamaya Betta, a small hillock which is about 20 to 23 kilometers from Bengaluru. It's a beautiful place, very close by to Bangalore International Airport. I'm going to show you some beautiful footages from this hillock. So stick on to the video till the end, and also I'll come up with some information that might be very helpful to you if in case you are planning to ride to this beautiful hillock. 2 more kilometers to go, but I stopped here to check out this beautiful view of Akaima Betta. When you ride towards this destination, you will love to take that memorable selfie, so don't miss it. Here is the starting point to the steps. You got to climb at least 100 steps before you reach the first temple. You can also take your vehicle to the top instead of taking the stairs. Okay, we have reached our destination. This is the parking space. The two-wheelers are parked there, and the four-wheelers are parked here. So such a beautiful view. I didn't park my vehicle down there. I managed to get my motorcycle to the top, and I have parked the vehicle near a temple. The temple's name is Bhimeshwara Swami Sannidhi Temple. There are five temples at this hilltop. One of them is a cave temple, so I'm going to capture all of them and showing it to you in this video. So stick on to the video till the end, and I'm also hoping to see flights landing or taking off. This location is very close by to Bangalore International Airport, so I did see one flight but I didn't, it was not very close by, so I bought this handycam with me. This has a zoom facility, so let me find out if I can capture some flights with this handycam. If at all possible, I will share it with you. So this is Bireshwara Swami Sannidhi Temple. The temple is open, but I don't see the priest inside. So anybody interested can actually get in and worship. So now I'm heading to Sri Gavi Maheshwaram Devalaya. I think this should be the cave temple. Yes, this is a cave temple. I think the temple is closed. I read somewhere that the temples are open on the alternate days. Today being Monday, I really don't think that the priests will be there or the temples will be opened. So this temple was open. I saw somebody getting in and getting out, but the cave temple is closed for the day. Probably tomorrow it will be open for the public. And this is the beautiful view from the hillock. The temples were closed. I got to know the temples are open only 3 days a week, and that is on Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. So plan your trip accordingly. You can come all days of the week, but if you want to visit the temple, then you should plan on Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. So finally I spotted one flight flying. I'm capturing with this Sony Handycam. Finally the Handycam came in handy for me. This is flying from Bangalore. Yes. I have just come a few steps away from the cave temple. It's a beautiful view here, boulders everywhere, something or the other written on it. People who come here seem to be skilled and had a lot of time to do whatever they were doing. So this is a spot at Akayama Beta where you will spend a lot of time. This is where you get to see the beautiful views down. You will get to see flights as well. I saw at least 2 to 3 of them. When you come here, I am sure that you will spot at least one flight. And I saw one or two couples having a great time and with great confidence. I am capturing these footages with my Sony Handycam. I'm not sure if this one is available in the market now. If you want to buy, the link is in the description. You can try your luck. What a view! It's a bliss to sit there and watch. I tried to speak to some of the people there to get more information, but most of them turned out to be a tourist, and the rest did not give any information which I wanted. If you have a zoom camera, you can see a lot of things. Those are buffaloes. I think it is a factory. Yes, it is a cement factory. Loads of cements there. All the vehicles parked. I guess no business for them. I know this is the best place for selfies. And here's the helicopter. And what is this? I'm getting scared. But not to worry, this guy is very far away from me. When you ride to this hillock, you will not only indulge in a short adventure ride but also a short hike. God's name will give more energy. There are boulders everywhere. What's written there? Let's read it out. Om Namah Shivaya. I have burnt a lot of calories today. If you are a health freak, you will appreciate yourself for being here. If you are in Bangalore, then you should give a visit to this beautiful hillock that's about only 22 kilometers from the garden city. Enough of boulders now. Let's check out some images of the temples. This photograph I captured with the Vivo V20 and this one with my iPhone SE 2020. If you are in Bangalore and planning for a short ride, then I would suggest this place because you will like it. I swear this is a beautiful place to spend at least a half a day. Try to come with your friends, family. It is very secure here. Nobody is going to intimidate you. And I have come all alone, so I didn't feel insecure. So don't worry about security, but be with people when you come here. And this is not far away from Bangalore. It's about 22 to 23 kilometers. It again depends upon where you stay in the city. And don't forget to carry your camera, your water. There is all chances of you becoming dehydrated, so don't forget to carry water. Ensure that you do not litter this place. Let us be a responsible citizen. Keep our places clean. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share the video among your friends, and also hit the bell button so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I swear it is going to be interesting, so stick on.